it's in my opinion, data governance, the goal is to make data transparent and visible. That's the end goal for data governance. And so what do I mean by that? It's, so I built, in my career, we built a data warehouse. And I built this data warehouse with the idea that if I build it, people will come and they'll use it.
Mm-hmm.
The problem was the people in the business didn't know how. They didn't know what we had. They didn't know how to use it. We didn't necessarily have owners of certain data sets, right? So data governance is also about assigning ownership so that you can take accountability for certain data sets. And by accountability, I mean data quality, right? So they can start to take action when data doesn't look the way it should, right? It's not complete, it's not accurate, so taking action on data when it's doesn't look the way it should.
So how do you actually assign ownership to data? Is it the people who touch the data? Is it the people who create the data, collect the data, visualize the data? Who actually owns the data? Who owns the data, Nate?
I'm so glad you asked. So data governance it has to include everyone, right? And so you're asking about data because there's a life cycle. There's a beginning for when data enters your organization,